Hi, I'm Tyler. Welcome to the React Nanodegree program. What makes React really great is it changes how you think about creating web applications. Not only will React make you a better developer, but it'll also open up other development platforms like native phone development or VR. React is being used by the largest companies in the world as well as small startups. It was built by the engineers who work on Facebook, one of the world's largest websites, but it also scales to projects of any size. React eliminates a lot of the friction in building a user interface. You declare the UI with encapsulated components that manage their own state. Then, you compose those smaller pieces together into a full application. In this program, your first project will be a React app that manages a list of contacts. It'll communicate with a remote server to add and remove people from the list. You'll also be able to filter it in the browser. You'll be building this app from scratch along with me in the first course of the program. After completing this program, you'll be positioned to take full advantage of the changing web development landscape that React is ushering in. With this Nanodegree program, you'll receive expert code review on your projects, and of course, Udacity's best in-class instruction. Welcome to the program. I'm so glad you're here.